classic joke that's sure to bring a smile to your face. A horse walks into a bar and the bartender asks, "Why the long face?" I hope that gave you a good laugh. Do you have any other questions I can help with? A group of chickens were standing in a field talking about their day. One chicken says to the others, "I was so busy today, I didn't even have time to lay an egg." The other chickens looked at her in surprise and asked, "How did you manage that?" The chicken replied, "I just kept laying low." I hope that joke gave you a chuckle. Do you have any other questions I can help with? A penguin walks into a bar and asks the bartender, "Do you have any fish?" The bartender replies, "I'm sorry, we don't serve fish here. This is a bar." The penguin looks disappointed and starts to leave, but then turns back and says, "Do you have any ice then?" The bartender says, "Well, we have ice in our drinks, but I'm not sure how that would help you." The penguin replies, "Oh, I just wanted to keep my drink cold." I hope that joke brought a smile to your face. Do you have any other questions I can help with?